Guys, I am back. I know I've been gone for like 2 years. But I'm starting a new chapter in my life and I just decided to bring you guys along with me. I just got a new apartment today and we are about to be vlogging. Content is gonna be consistent. I'm just finally happy with everywhere that I'm at in my life. I got my body how I want. I got all my money how I want. I got the dream place I want to live in. Like, I'm doing what I want with my career, with school. I'm doing what I want with my family. I'm traveling, and it's taken years to get here. So I'm just finally thankful. I'm at literally the place I've always wanted to be, and I'm so happy with myself. I'm so confident. I don't want to blab and talk too much, you guys. I'm just so happy. So I thought, why not just document? This is for me, and y'all like to watch it too. I like to look back when I'm older for my kids to see, like, oh, this is where mom was when she was 23 and she got her first apartment in Atlanta. Or no, this is my second apartment in Atlanta. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna just show y'all, and I'm just gonna document everything from my life from here on out. I'm not gonna be the person in my own way anymore. We're gonna be consistent. Consistency is the key. So yeah, guys, this is a 1-bedroom apartment. It's like 1,000 square feet. I searched for months to find the perfect apartment, and I got it. I got approved. This was the only one I applied for, and I'm just so happy. I love it so much. Let me show y'all. Okay, guys, this is my living room. Oh no, this is my living room, so I can't show y'all the outside too much, but yeah, guys, I got my Wi-Fi box right there. Y'all seen the windows, floor to ceiling windows. It's so huge in here, you guys. Like, literally, y'all can see what I see. It's big, and the ceilings are big, like, and I got a patio with storage and everything. And what really got me on this is the layout of the place, because I love the island. I'm thinking about changing the light fixtures at the top, and I just love this fridge, y'all. I ain't never had one of these in my fridge. Like, love that for me. And my tripod in there and stuff. But yeah, just look how it looks. Like, it's beautiful. And we got all stainless steel appliances, gas stove. I really like the backsplash here. It's like a light, and I like the darkness of the kitchen. I think that's like a wine thing at the top. So yeah, guys, and then this is how it looks from this way. It's just so much space. I can't show you all the outside. But then we're gonna go into the bedroom and the closet. Let me turn the lights on in here, y'all, so y'all can see. Ah! There's me, the baddest bitch of all fucking time. Hey, y'all. And this is the bathtub. I had white tile in my last apartment, so I love that this is stone. And this is how big everything looks from here. Double sinks. Y'all don't need to see the toilet. Fucking toilet. And my washer and dryer is here, guys. And yeah, it's stacked. It's perfect because it's literally right next to the closet. So this is the closet. Let me turn this on for y'all. I don't think that's the light for that. I don't know where the light for the closet is, but might be too. Hold on. Yeah. That's the, oh, the other one is the light frame here. Okay, fire, there's a light in there. That's cool. But I love how the closet got the double doors. Everything in this apartment got double doors in the bedroom. So it's double doors right here for the closet, and then you walk into the bedroom. There's double doors too, and then you still got the regular door. And this room, you guys, is huge, and I love that this is like all wood floors, you guys. That's probably my favorite thing, because yeah, I need wood. And closet is big. My last one's bigger, but this is wood. I'm thinking if I should take these shelves out and do the thing everybody's doing, where I just put like bookshelves. I could fit like 2 bookshelves in one and have it like a custom closet. Or do I just want to leave it like it is? Who knows? But this is it so far, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so in love, and y'all, this was months coming down, like preparation and everything is just exactly how it should be. I'm about to go to Target, Walmart, and get some cleaning supplies. No, I should go to Dollar Tree. That's where I should go, Dollar Tree. So that's what I'm gonna do. Come in here and clean. I have some movers coming on. No, my movers coming. My movers are coming. This piece of hair keep bothering me. Oh well. My movers are coming on. Let me fix it. Okay. My movers are coming on Sunday from my old crib. And my bed and my couch are getting delivered tomorrow. So I'll probably put that in the next clip of this vlog so y'all can see. Right now, this is just the empty apartment tour. So, yeah guys, it ain't that much more for me to show you because it's empty. But just know that, guys, I'm so happy. Like, and I love this little camera. I got a new camera. Maybe I should do a review on this camera for you guys. It tracks me when my fat ass walk. Yes, guys. I still gotta do a BBL video, and I got so many videos to do, you guys. But we got a new headquarters. It's exciting. We are blessed. I love you all so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for K-Slay's Canamina's life, because we got vacations coming up, y'all. I just got a bust down party. I'm gonna show y'all. I bought a new chain from Show Off the Jeweler. We got Tulum coming up. We got the Bahamas. We got Santo, what's it called? Not Santo Domingo, Montego Bay. Like, just tap in, stay tuned. This summer be lit. I'm turning 24. I'm just so excited for everything, guys. So, I love you, my K-Slayers.